Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we're talking about fertilizing your indoor plants during the winter months. It's a question many plant parents have. Let's dive into how to keep your plants happy and healthy even when the weather outside is frightful. Winter is a dormant period for many indoor plants. They aren't actively growing as much as in spring or summer. So, the big question is, should you even fertilize at all? The short answer is usually no. However, there are some exceptions. First, let's talk about why less is more in winter. Plants need fertilizer for growth. Growth slows down significantly during winter due to less sunlight and cooler temperatures. Fertilizing encourages growth. But forcing growth when the plant is trying to rest can weaken it. It's like trying to run a marathon when you're exhausted. Over-fertilizing can also lead to salt buildup in the soil. This can burn the roots and damage the plant. Secondly, let's consider exceptions to the rule. Some plants are actively growing, even in winter. These might include winter-blooming plants or plants under grow lights. If your plant is showing signs of active growth, you might need to fertilize. Look for new leaves or flower buds. But even then, use a very diluted fertilizer. Use about half or even a quarter of the recommended dose on the package. Thirdly, choosing the right fertilizer is crucial. Always use a balanced fertilizer. Look for numbers like October 10th, 10 or 20-20-20 on the label. These numbers represent the percentage of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in the fertilizer. These nutrients are important for overall plant health. Organic fertilizers are also a good option. They release nutrients slowly and are less likely to burn the roots. Remember to always water your plant before fertilizing. This helps to prevent fertilizer burn. Observe your plants carefully. Watch for signs of over-fertilizing, such as brown leaf tips or a white crust on the soil surface. If you see these signs, flush the soil with water. This helps to remove excess salts. Finally, remember that every plant is different. Research the specific needs of your plants. This will help you determine the best fertilizing schedule. And don't be afraid to experiment. Start with a very diluted fertilizer and see how your plants respond. Adjust the frequency and amount of fertilizer as needed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to fertilize your indoor plants in winter. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or your favorite winter plant care tip. Happy growing!